Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest reviews of beauty and personal care products. Today, we're going to talk about something that every beauty enthusiast has been buzzing about, the VASSOUL Lash Lift Kit. If you're looking for that perfect curl without the hassle of eyelash curlers, this could be your new best friend. Let's dive right in. This lash lift kit is the perfect solution for anyone wanting long-lasting, beautifully curled lashes. Whether you're preparing for a special event or just want that extra volume and curl every day, this kit promises results that will last for up to a month. And trust me, once you see the difference, you'll be hooked. What I love about this kit is that it's designed for both beginners and professionals. The process is simple, and everything you need is right here in the box. Inside, you'll find the perm solution, setting solution, nourishing lotion, and even tools like the lifting pads and application wands. And the best part? This kit is good for up to 15 uses, so it offers great value for money. With easy-to-follow instructions, you'll be able to apply the lash lift in the comfort of your own home. The step-by-step guide makes it straightforward, and the results? Simply stunning. It only takes about 20 to 30 minutes to achieve those gorgeous, curled lashes. The process starts with applying a perm solution to the lashes, followed by a setting solution that ensures the curl stays in place for weeks. And once the lift is done, your lashes will look fuller, longer, and naturally curled. Just look at the difference. It's not only the curl that's impressive, these lashes look fuller, as if you've applied mascara, but without any of the clumping or mess. The best part? This kit works on all lash types, from short to long, and it really brings out the natural beauty of your eyes. Whether you're getting ready for a big event, a wedding, or just want a more low-maintenance lash routine, the VASSOUL Lash Lift Kit has got you covered. Plus, it's a great option for anyone looking for a professional-level result without the professional price tag. No need to visit a salon. This kit gives you the same look at home. So, if you want beautifully curled lashes that last for weeks, the VASSOUL Lash Lift Kit is definitely worth trying. It's easy to use, it's cost-effective, and the results speak for themselves. If you've been considering a lash lift, give this one a shot. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching today's review. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite beauty products. Until next time, keep glowing and stay beautiful.